The moon is closer than you think. Did you know that if you could drive straight up to the moon at highway speed, around 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour, it would take just over 4 months to get there? What's your guess? Longer or shorter than 4 months? There's a floating graveyard in the ocean. When satellites and spacecraft are retired, many are directed to a spot in the Pacific Ocean called the Point Nemo. It's the most remote place on Earth, where thousands of old spacecraft rest. Would you want to visit this spacecraft cemetery, if it were possible? Space smells like steak? Astronauts have reported that space smells like a combination of hot metal, welding fumes, and steak. This happens because of high-energy particles reacting with the spacecraft's metal. What do you think space should smell like? Flowers, chocolate, or something else? A single spacecraft gave us 2 solar system selfies. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, took a family portrait of our solar system from 6 billion kilometers away. One image includes Earth as a tiny, pale blue dot. How do you feel knowing we're just a dot in this vast universe? Mars' sunsets are blue. The Martian atmosphere scatters sunlight differently than Earth's, giving its sunsets a blue hue. Imagine watching a sunset on Mars. What music would you play to match the mood? The largest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth. It's on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Imagine hiking that. What do you think? Would you try climbing it, even if it takes months? Space exploration is saving lives on Earth. Tech developed for space missions, like water filtration systems, advanced prosthetics, and even baby formula, have improved life here. Can you think of other everyday things that might have come from space tech? A human's height increases in space. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in space because their spines decompress without gravity. If you could grow a couple of inches, would you want to go to space, even for a few days? You can't cry in space, tears just stick to your face. Without gravity, tears don't fall. Instead, they form a ball of liquid that can sting your eyes. How would you deal with emotions in zero gravity?